Hello viewers, welcome to our store sttmoney.com. Today we're excited to unbox and review the Vivo 44 watts flash charging adapter. Upon opening the box, you'll immediately notice the clean packaging that Vivo is known for. Inside you'll find Vivo 44 watts adapter. The Vivo 44 watts adapter is a powerful and efficient charger. It is a high-quality, durable cable designed to provide fast and reliable charging. It comes with 6-month warranty. You can purchase this charger directly from our website at www.sttmoney.com. Our app is also available on the Play Store and the App Store. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.